SpongeBob and Patrick. Hello there! How are you today? We are going to color SpongeBob and Patrick together, two best friends. Let's get started. First, let's color SpongeBob's eyes. They are big and round. Let's use our beautiful blue color. That's right, blue. You know that SpongeBob is a sponge, right? So, we are going to color his body yellow. Color with me. Don't forget to color his arms and his legs too. They are yellow. Let's color his mouth red. And his little tie. It's red too. Let's color his tongue pink. Let's move on to his square pants. Let's make them brown. That's right, brown. Good job, kiddos. That's one cool SpongeBob. Look at Patrick. He's waiting to be colored. Patrick is pink. So, let's take our pink color. Well done! Now, let's color his shorts green and purple. Well done! SpongeBob lives in a pineapple house. Can you believe it? It's a big pineapple. Let's color the leaves green. SpongeBob loves his house. His house is so cool. It's a pineapple. Now, let's color this part of his pineapple house orange. That's right, orange. Here, I'm adding some shadows with my brown color. Let's add some green for the seaweeds. And now, let's color the blue door. That's right, blue. Let's add little shadow. Wow, we're almost done. We did it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon. Bye.